Morning, everyone. How are you all? So, it's our Learn to Lead time, and a new chapter is there in our book. What is that chapter? It is the chapter Plant the Seed of an Idea. Now, what is the meaning of these words? Plant the seed of an idea. Whatever ideas are there, whatever things are being invented or that are being created, whatever things that are being thought of, the first thought that comes, that is the seed. We all know that how a plant grows. First we have to implant a seed in the soil, only after that the plant grows. Yes, we all know that procedure. This thing, plant the seed of an idea, it is applicable on this thing also, in which whatever new or whatever something different we have to do or we want to do, it comes by the first thought that everyone thinks of, that anyone can think of. Like, for example, in your book you can see that there is a picture, there is a drawing in front. Yes, and it is similar to the drawing, to the design of a helicopter. And who made this drawing? It was Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, he outlined the first design of the helicopter, and it was way back in 1490. Fine. However, it remained an idea as the technology to successfully build an aircraft was not available until much later. Way back, he designed this helicopter. Way back, he made this design. But because in 1419, in those time, the technology was not that sound, that they were not able to build this aircraft. He not only excelled as a painter and sculptor, but also as a scientist, mathematician, engineer, inventor, architect, a person who makes new buildings, botanist, musician, and writer. See, there were so many qualities in this man. He was constantly observing, experimenting, and inventing. He never grew tired of exploring new ideas and jotting them down. So, this is what is required in today's generation also, that we should observe, we should do the experiment. What will happen? The maximum thing that can happen is that we'll not be successful. That is not a big problem. But at least we should try. At least we should try. Fine. So we should always be observing. We should always experiment with things, so that we never know that what kind of things can, what kind of result we'll be getting. Fine. Now, in the similar manner, on the next page also, it is written about Gandhiji. Now, this thing again, you are going to read it for yourself so that your reading skills develop. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of this so that the things become clear. Now, we all know that Gandhiji is the father of the nation, and he was a strong believer of the fact non-violence. Now, where does he also must have got this idea from somewhere? From somewhere, he also must have got this idea of being a non-violent person and giving us the principles of ahimsa. Yes. From where did he get this idea? Because he was born in Porbandar, Gujarat, and Jainism was the most prominent religion at that time in that area. And in Jainism, the ahimsa, the principle of ahimsa was there. It is a part of the teachings of Jainism. So he was attracted towards that. Fine. So to just do few things or to just bring in a revolution, we have to think out of the box. We just don't have to follow the things. Sometimes we can explore new things and bring in new ideas also. Yes? Fine. Now, in your Learn to Lead book, on page number 31, this page is given. Fine. You are going to do this page. What is written on it? Act on it. Fine. What are we going to do? Brainstorm on ways to encourage motorists to obey traffic rules without forcing them to pay fines. Yes, brainstorm means you have to think of new ideas, explore new ideas, explore new ideas. We all know that there are few people who never follow the traffic rules. We know that now. Whenever we move out in our four wheeler or on a two wheeler, we move out, we can observe that many people, they just don't stop at the signals. They move straight even when the signal is showing the red light. Yes, and the traffic police, sometimes they have to charge the fine also to teach them the lesson that they should follow the traffic rule. But instead of asking the travelers to pay the fine, just think of new ideas in which you can make them understand the importance of the traffic rules and how they should obey those traffic rules. Just think of new ideas, write down in these blanks which are given here on page number 31. You can see these blanks are given. You can write down these points and you can discuss it with your family members also. Fine. See you again in our next video. Till then, bye bye.